What is up, everybody? So check this out. Today, holy cow, look at that. Look at this. I just gotta show you this real quick. Look at these views. Dang. Peep the 40s on the bourbon. So today, we are going to change the oil once again in the GMC Acadia. So, is what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you how to do it. We're gonna show you the oil filter you need. We're gonna show you where the plug is to drain the oil, and we're gonna show you where the filter's at. So, first things first, you're gonna have to pop your hood, and you're gonna have to get your motor warm. You want the oil warm, not like hot. You don't want to burn yourself, but warm it up. Let it run for a little bit. Get yourself some ramps. These ramps are really cheap. I'll find some. I'll link them below in the description. Also, oh my goodness, that scared me. My water bottle fell over. I thought there was like a rabbit running around or something. Anyways, you're gonna get you one of these as well, okay? So, one of these. It's a oil taker offer thingy. So, you're gonna get you one of these. That's pretty much what they think every time they come outside. I love you! And they see me filming. But anyways, you're gonna get you one of these. It's an oil taker offer thingy. You're gonna want it. It's cheap. I'll link a description to that as well. And so basically, we're gonna link up in the description below. We're gonna link up ramps, oil filter if they have them on Amazon. Oil, just honestly, just run down to your parts store, grab the oil. But you might be able to buy the oil off Amazon too. So I don't know. We'll link up anything you can buy off of Amazon. So stay tuned. All right, what's up? So check this out. You're gonna want to get underneath the front of the car. Now, when you get underneath the front of the car, your passenger tire right here, okay, all along, you're gonna look up underneath here, and right where your A-arm kind of hits the frame, you just kind of keep going right underneath there. And that, my friend, is where you're gonna drain your oil. So if I can get my other hand in here. So basically, this is your oil drain plug. Now, I'm pretty certain this here is, hold on, give me just a second here. I'll take this off and we'll try to hold this up here. But this right here, this bolt, it's gonna be a 15 millimeter. So obviously you're gonna want to get a drain pan, your drain pan, and we're going to take that bolt off. Now, another thing that will help you is take the cap off your oil right here. That's it. So when you're done there, now I'm not going to show you the process. Like, I'm not going to drain the oil. I'm not going to bore you with watching oil drain. It's pretty self-explanatory. Get you a drain plug, or not a plug, but a drain pan, and drain your oil. The only other thing we're going to show you here, we're going to bust out this Makita light. That's a sweet light. Actually, I love this little light. Anyways, there's your oil dipstick right here, literally straight down from it right there. You're going to want this tool that I showed you right here to take that off. Now, the way this thing works is you basically, put it around it, and then you say it's on here this way, then you pull the handle down, and it, that'll clamp around the oil filter. So if we were going to put it on there, we're going to stick it down in here like this, and then we're going to pry up and loosen that oil filter. So that's how you do it. And literally this right here is the oil filter. Now we're going with a Micro Guard Select extended life. Now we don't go 10,000 miles, and you could probably just, you know, you could probably go 10,000 miles on the filter, but dude, this was like $9. So why not just put a new oil filter on every time? I don't know. Unless you're lazy and you just want to change the oil at 5,000 mile intervals, you could change this and then do another oil change at 5,000 and 10K protection. But let's be honest, the higher mileage your vehicle gets, just spend the $9 and spend the extra labor amount of time, 10 minutes max, to change this out. So anyways, once that's out, okay, stay with me here, folks. It's pretty simple. Once you got the other one out, you're gonna put this new one on, but you're going to take this plastic piece off right here and this little rubber piece. You're gonna basically dab your finger into the new oil that you're gonna put in it, okay? You're gonna dab your finger. Now if you need to tilt the can just a little bit to, you know, dab it up, you're just basically gonna rub some oil along this outer ring. You know, you just want to lube this outer ring. Lube's very nice. Lube's good, but you're gonna want to lube that and then screw it on hand tight. Don't use the wrench to put it back on. Just hand tight. If you're, you know, a lady or something, and you're doing this on your own, maybe use the wrench just a little bit, but you're gonna want to make sure it's tight enough, so, but not too tight, if that makes sense. So basically just hand tight is good enough. But yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get it done. I'm not gonna bore you with all the shenanigans on how to do it. And then I've got another video I'll probably link below. It's just a short. I'll see if I can find it, but it tells you how to reset your oil light switch, but it's just a short, so I'll just link that up because it's super easy and you don't need a full-length video to learn how to do that. So anyways, yeah, that's it. Smile. We're gonna change the oil. Have a good day. Hey, I'm back. I forgot to tell you, you need 6 quarts. 6.3. Go with 6, a little below 6, and then check your oil. But that's basically what I've been putting in mine, 6 quarts. So just got the new oil filter on. Oh, before you put oil in, just make sure your drain plug's in. I know several people have put oil in without actually putting the drain plug back in. You want to put that back in. So double check that, triple check that, and then fill it with oil. So anyways.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way